It looks absolutely incredible. Like, I'll show you, ready? So we're in Maui now. We arrived at the Airbnb really late last night, so we literally just unpacked and just went to bed. And today, this is the view that we are gifted today in the morning. The beach right in the front, and we'll be going to a waterfall today, a few waterfalls actually if we have time. But the main waterfall that we're going to will be a 400-foot waterfall that I found online. I first saw it on Instagram, then I did my research online for like 2 hours on Google Maps and I found how to get in. So we'll be going to there first and hopefully a few other places along the way. So let's go. So this place, I actually spent like 2 hours on Google Maps after watching some guy's vlog, and the vlog showed the starting point of the hike. So he stopped at the road and he started vlogging. So I went on Google Maps and I found that spot where he started vlogging. Oh my god, rip our shoes.
Oh shit, this is gonna happen.
Like big time. Oh fuck. Anyways, so that's how I found the spot. And now we're walking through this thick dense of mud. And it's a little bit hard finding where to go. I think it's this way. So we just found the river. And now we just need to walk along this river for I don't know how long. Thank you. And hopefully we'll reach the waterfall. Oh, hey there. This guy. This guy trying to copy me.
Look at this guy.
This guy. Oh, look at this guy. Yeah, look at this guy appear out of the woods. So I've just given up. There's Ron. There's everyone else. And we're just making our way slowly up this stream. And I don't think there's like a proper path to this waterfall, so we just need to make our own way there. We just ran into some people that we met at Pali Notches in Oahu.
How did you guys find out about this place? Careful when you start.
Yeah, are we close?
Probably halfway. I don't know.
You're a little over halfway.
Okay, damn.
So
You'll see the canyon narrows.
Yeah, narrows down.
How funny, man. Of all places to find you guys on this, I thought like, wait.
So keen to see this waterfall. Also, I'm vlogging with the GoPro at the moment, so the sound might be a little whack and the quality might be a little whack, but I'll switch over when we're at the waterfall. We're walking on some ground finally after walking on like bedrocks for the past like 30 minutes. Yo! It looks so good! Why is it so tall? How is it running? What the fuck? Oh my days! Look at everyone rushing. Yo!
Oh my god. This is crazy.
Yo! This waterfall is so fucking tall. Underneath is gonna be fucking crazy, so I'm gonna go down with the GoPro, try to swim under it. It's a little bit cold because the sun's gone. I'm in like knee-deep water, it's fucked. But damn, that is insane.
All I want is round, yeah, round, yeah. Found you sitting all alone, looking down your phone. No.
The water is like extraordinarily freezing. It's like ice cold. So there's Ron over there taking a biodegradable shampoo shower. What the fuck? This guy's freezing. It's alright actually.
yeah, found you. That spotlight, little flowers. That all I want is